Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Lying Shoplifter Regrets Running from Police After Getting Tased.
It appears to be Natasha Nash, and she's walking off from it. She's running. She's running from Cow Street here.
Wait, don't do that.
Get out! Get out on the ground! Now! Get on the ground now!
On November 7th, officers stopped a woman matching a shoplifter's description. She tries to hide her identity, but once police figure it out, the situation quickly escalates.
What's your last name?
Monique
Creighton.
Crayton.
What's your date of birth?
Oh Lord, I was like, what do I? July. I was like, what the hell going on? I didn't know. 1981. I'm sorry.
I got you. Where you stay at?
I stay over here on Johnson Street. I just moved on Johnson's right there where the house is back there.
On Johnson Street? What's the numerics there? Do you know?
The address? I know it's the gray house sitting at the corner because I just moved in with them, so I don't really know. Let me actually what's the address over there.
Despite giving a different name, the officer recognizes her from prior incidents and checks for warrants, confirming she has active ones.
Hey, we got a warrant on Natasha Nash?
Who?
Natasha Nash.
See, I think we know
This looks like her. She's giving me a different name, but
A little worse than some than others.
she ain't Monique. Yeah, it's gonna be her. She probably about to take off on me. I'm gonna see if I can get her. But I'm gonna try it. All right, Timble.
Yeah, right. Hold on.
I'm on Crowder Street right here. I'm with her. All right, look at me.
Yes, sir. I can't hardly see.
That's fine. I'm standing there in the shade.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I got you. You Natasha, ain't you?
No, sir. I'm not Natasha.
You not? You Natasha?
No, sir.
Yeah.
I swear.
What's your daughter's name?
I don't have no daughter.
No daughters?
No, sir. I only have a son.
Have a son?
Yes, sir. I'm not Natasha.
All right.
That's what
you got any proof of ID?
No, sir. I didn't.
Zero proof of ID. Why you got chicken in your pocketbook?
Oh, cause I was at my bag had bust, and I on the way back.
But you still got that
yeah,
there,
because I just kept it because it was heavy. No,
where'd you get it from?
I went to Harvey's. I just came from Harvey's to go get some food. I went got some buns and to fry some chicken, but my bag got bust. So I put some of the stuff up in here because I was walking with the bag. But
yeah, stand right here just a second. You want to stay on Glendale?
No, sir.
Not no more?
No, I never stayed.
What's your husband's name?
I don't have no husband. I'm not married.
Not married?
I've never been married. No, sir.
Yeah, stand by just a second.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I was like, hold on.
All right, if you're not being truthful with me, I'm gonna get more. I'm gonna get more warrants on you. I'm letting you know that now. All right. Okay, stand right there. Okay. You ain't got no license?
Sorry?
You ain't got no license?
I don't have a license, no, sir. I don't drive. I just moved here from Florida with my cousin. I came in and moved in with her just about a week ago. She just came and got me, so.
Yeah, well, right now you're being detained.
For what?
So you just stand by right here for just a second, and I'll get you on your way.
No, I wonder why. Because it's.
Because you appear to be someone that we're looking for.
Oh, no. If I don't know who that is, how can you say me and I'm not the person you look for? I got
just
kids.
Stand by just a second.
My kids is over there, man, sir, and I know, sir. I stay right there. I don't even know what this is. Glendale right here. See, I don't even know. How y'all detaining me and I don't even know? Let me call and make sure my kids. This is crazy. I don't understand it.
Stand right here.
Okay.
Wait with me.
Okay.
Get out of the road. Get out of the road. Bye.
Oh, nothing. They trying to detain me.
I'm trying to look for the picture of her. She definitely appears to be her, and she's walking off and everything like that. It appears to be Natasha Nash, and she's walking off from it. She's running. She's running from Cow Street here.
Damn, she's fast. He gonna catch her though. Oh yeah, he on it. Oh, she's slowing down. He's slowing down. Oh, he's catching up. Which one? Oh yeah.
Wait, don't do that.
Get out on the ground. Now. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Now. On the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Why are you holding me like that?
Get on the ground.
My kids.
Get on the ground now.
Sir, I didn't do
Now. Get on the ground.
Oh, don't hurt me. Oh, I didn't do nothing.
I got him behind the old Mexican restaurant on South Main.
In my leg.
You about to get it again? Put your hand behind me.
Okay. I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
I can't breathe.
He didn't get the full thing though. He got some of it, but some of the prongs, as you see, one of the prongs hit on her like her sweater that's around her or whatever. He didn't get the full. That's why I'm wondering, like, when he first tased her, like, she really didn't, like, she wasn't phased that much, you know? So it's like, hold on. But now I see why, you know, he didn't get the full thing.
Stupid ass. Quit! Stop! Do not try to get it again! Stop!
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
There it is.
I can't breathe.
Yes, you can. Nobody get up. Get up. Just shut and run. Stand up. Yeah,
I got asthma.
Yeah, have asthma running. Let's go.
I need those eyes. I need those eyes. I need them.
Well, I hear the taser pro right over.
I was hung at the red light, but I jumped the curb.
That's a, yeah.
She got a McDonald's hat.
I swear to God.
You smoke and you just run. You do that shit. Stand up. Stand up.
I can't, sir.
What's your 20?
Stand up. Yes, you can. Hey, you about to get it again.
I can't breathe.
You breathing just fine. Stand by. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this.
Thank you.
Stand up, Natasha.
Yeah, we'll sit down there.
Right here. Sit on your butt.
Walk back right here.
Okay.
Sit down.
Right here. Sit down.
Wait.
Sit. All the way down. I got you.
Go ahead and roll with it. Check the such cap, Floyd.
She's bullshitting, man. Throw her ass in the car.
Sit up. Sit up,
You
Natasha.
can sit up. You're fine. You're breathing.
Sit up.
Okay. I swear to God, y'all.
Stop.
Sit up, Natasha. Sit up.
I can't breathe.
Sit up. We're not playing.
Listen,
I know.
you know all you're doing is prolonging the situation
I know,
because you're
sir.
going to jail.
I need those eyes.
You're going to chill, and you're getting more warrants too.
That far.
Yeah.
And my bed. My kids.
I'm gonna go grab my car. All right. You wanna sit right here?
She decided to run from over there.
Yeah. No, we're good, buddy. Hey, I appreciate you checking. Hey, did you get that? My cartridge and everything?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Do what?
The white bag, my chest is that white bag with the kids.
Yeah. And you know, I've always give you ample opportunity. I always gave you ample opportunity to talk to me.
802 South Main Street. 802 South Main Street.
Y'all ain't never seen me.
Apple clear 10.3.
Here they fit to check your vitals, and if you good, you This old man, I was coming up to red light, this old man pulls over the glass. I had to go through the courthouse park of grass.
Happens like every time. She run from Crowder Street, got right here. I shot her with a taser. One probe hit her jacket, one probe hit her left leg. She didn't hit the ground or nothing like that, but it got her attention enough for her to stop running. So she was good on breathing for the little 75-yard sprint there.
Yeah, my chest be hurt too if I ran that far.
You have any medical problems?
Okay, to the sun.
We'll stick this on your finger.
Yeah, she got it. Oh, I'm good now. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Need you to take some short, deep breaths. 'Cause it's just your heart rate's a little elevated, but everything else is good.
All right, well, I'm going to put you in the truck and do a 12 lead, but if it's normal, I'm going to let you go with them, okay? That's where we at right now.
You need a
Yeah, if you don't mind.
She make the weirdest out of breath noises I ever heard. Like what the what? What type of out of breath noises is those? Like, no, man. No. She is so performative, man. Oh my goodness. And it like the officer said, it just prolongs the process. Like you still going to jail. This is all BS, man. Well, I know they do gotta get called. I think paramedics get called when they tase somebody. But this is just so performative.
That was the 144.
Nobody's laughing at you.
Yes, sir.
No, you're laughing at him.
His heart rate's
My heart rate's higher than yours is.
But I'm saying, I don't never get problems, so
You ain't never gave me no problem. That's why I can't understand why you run from me.
It hurts.
I can't understand why you run from me.
Okay, but like I said, I'm gonna run a 12 lead. If it's fine,
That's fine.
Put your hands in front of you.
we're gonna let you go with him.
The suspect was charged with retail theft, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice on top of her active warrant. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like.
Just another comedy show. That's all I got to say about it, man. This is just you can't make it up. She was perfectly fine. She gave up a good she did a nice little run, man. She looked a little older, she did do a nice little run, you know what I mean? But nah, that officer got her together, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.